Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS, and on this Cadillac STS with the 3.6 motor, we're going to go over where you would check your engine oil and be able to add engine oil. This is the cap where you would add the engine oil, and right here you'll see an orange, yellow, orange, it could be any different color, but this is your dipstick for your engine oil. So you're going to reach down, you're going to pull it out. You want to have your car on a decent level surface and not running. To start with, we'll wipe it clean, and you're going to see we have indicators on here where our engine oil should be. And we want it anywhere in the middle there. If it's in that hash mark, it's too low. If it's at that hash mark, we're still in operating range, but we don't want it to be any higher than that. So we've wiped it clean. Then we're going to go ahead and insert it, and then pull it back out. And we're going to check our engine oil, see where it lines up on here. And if it's low, then you would want to add your engine oil. So if you need to add engine oil, you're just going to twist this cap off and then be able to add your engine oil here. Maybe use a funnel if you need be, and then you would put your engine cap back on and twist that on. And so that's how you would check your engine oil in your 2011 Cadillac STS with the 3.6 motor, which is a V6. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.